I met Kelly at a presentation. I was asked to be on a panel about the new economy, 8 months ago or something like that. That's where we hooked up. And Kelly has worked for Contra Costa County for a long time. She knows everything the county offers, all the free stuff, all the goodies, all the hidden stuff that your taxes are already paying for, you don't know about. And I think partly, I don't think some bureaucrats want you to know about, then they'd have to do the work, okay? Why don't you talk a little bit about some of the ways that you've learned that you can help people by understanding what's available to them through free programs?
That. My passion is, as Mike said, connecting people with the resources they need to help their business start, grow, and thrive. And many people don't know that the government does have free programs, but they're really not free because you've already paid for them with all of your taxes. The thing is that you're not utilizing those programs. Every single county has their own small business development center where you can get free one-on-one business advising. You can sign up and work with an advisor that will be assigned just to you based on what you want to do. They do a lot of free workshops. Once you get to the point where your foundation is set, then there's a lot of subsidized employment programs where maybe you want to hire somebody, but you can't afford to hire somebody. So they'll actually pay their wages for you for up to 6 months if you hire from a certain period, certain group of people. They also have work opportunity tax credits. And all these things are to help the people that may have some barriers to employment, maybe veterans, youth age 16 to 24, people that may be being formerly incarcerated. What happens is the government is trying to give you an incentive to get them back to work, to make them self-sufficient, but also to help you make your business grow and thrive, and so you can continue to grow and continue to hire more people. So, like I said, there's a lot of different programs out there. If you want to contact me, we've got the email list. We'd be happy to talk to you, and I'd be happy to talk to you about what they are. But just know that they're out there. I was a former small business owner for 20 years, and when I found out about it, I was like, geez, I could have really used that before I went and spent all this time. Because as a lot of you know, once you start a business, and once you put your name out there, someone gets your name, and then you get deluged with buy 5,000 postcards, or buy this, or do that. Maybe you don't need that many people. You just want the people that are going to utilize your service. So you want to get the right people for you, you want to get the right resources for you, and you want to do it as inexpensively as possible and as economically as possible so you can keep the money in your bottom line and continue to grow and expand. So as I said, that's my passion. I love connecting people with resources. If I don't know about a resource, then I will go out and find it, and that enables me to learn something new as well. So I wish you all great success. I thank you all for being here tonight, and go.
Community, right? That's what it is. It's just a community. And so let's downsize it a little bit. Let's use the humanity that we all have, the skill set that, if you think, I call, in my email, I use Big Ideas Express. Because if you have a brilliant big idea, that's up here. There's something like 7 centimeters of skull between you and your idea and the world, okay? They don't know about it, okay? You've got to share it. You've got to get it out of your brain, turn it into a digital vehicle, and then you can share it globally and we can help people.